The burning question for millions: is it dry eye or MGD? Have you ever been told you have dry eye with symptoms like tired, red, burning, scratchy, or watery eyes? Here's a fact. Roughly 90% of all those who have been diagnosed with dry eye have a condition called meibomian gland dysfunction. Most refer to it as MGD, and it's treatable. What is MGD? Let's take a look. Your eyes produce tears from glands called lacrimal glands. This is the watery layer on our eyes. Your eyes also produce essential oils from the meibomian glands located in the eyelids. The oil protects the watery layer in our eyes. If there is a lack of oil, the watery layer evaporates and our eyes are left unprotected. Simply put, your tear production may be healthy, but blocked meibomian glands lead to a lack of oil production, causing the tears to evaporate. If left untreated, these blocked glands can begin to shrink and can eventually deteriorate, making the damage irreparable. This is why addressing MGD sooner rather than later is your best option. Good news! Through groundbreaking innovations in eye care, MGD can be treated with LipiFlow. LipiFlow is a proven, in-office FDA-cleared treatment that unblocks the meibomian glands and restores natural oil production in your eyes. During treatment, you'll feel therapeutic heat and gentle massaging with little to no discomfort. Now millions diagnosed with dry eye can get back to enjoying everyday activities. Finally, an answer. A real solution and real relief. Ask your eye care professional, is it dry eye or MGD? Ask if you're a candidate for LipiFlow. Ask us about LipiFlow and MGD today.